Good morning everyone. I am Piyush from BCA PPU second year batch 1 and I am here to give a presentation on the topic of types of variable in C. But before moving on that, I would like to represent my humble gratitude toward our respected Raju sir for assigning me this presentation. So let's start. Before moving on, we should know that what are variables. Basically, variables are data containing tags in which we assign values according to our need. As here written, in C programming, variable is a name storage location which holds a value according to our needs. Now, our next point about the topic is that there are many types of variable in C, but there are 4 basic types which are categorized. They are local, global, static, external and automatic variable. So let us know about the first variable, which is local variable. As from the name is clear, it is a local variable, so it would be declared within a function and can be accessed only within a function. It would not be used outside the function, and its life expectancy is then when the function is called, the recursive function will work or the local variable will work. If the function is not called, the local variable will not be used. Next function is global variable. From the name, it is clear that the variable can be globally used throughout the program. It can be declared outside of any function but can be accessible from anywhere in the program, and it will exist throughout the program is executed until the output is shown. Our next variable is static variable. From the name, it is clear that it is used to make a variable static, so by which its value cannot be changed further. It is declared within a function and outside of a function, but we should use static keyword for defining a static variable. Suppose I have to define x is equal to 10 in a static manner, then we will write static x equals to 10 and it will exist until the program ends. Our next variable is automatic variable. It is a variable which is declared within a function, but it will be only accessed within the function when they are defined, unless and until. It will be created only when the function will be called, otherwise destroyed when the function will end. Last but not the least, it is our external variable, which is also used by which is also declared by using external keyword. It is used to access global variable from other files. Suppose we are having 2 or 3 files in the C program, then to access any other variable from other file, we will be using external keyword, and it exists throughout the program's execution. So this was all from my side. Let me give you an overview. Basically, C provides a flexible system for managing variables where user can use the variable according to its need or by the product manager needs. So this was all from my side. Thank you.